Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clinton with Flighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a chain door fastener. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using a battery powered drill with a Phillips tip bit and your chain door fastener. And don't forget your pencil. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and mark my holes that I'm going to go ahead and put the screws in. So I'll take my fastener, and I like to run mine vertical. That way you don't have to worry about sliding it over. All you have to do is put it in the hole and it drops straight down. So we're going to put it here. We're going to kind of guesstimate our plumb here. And then we'll go through here, put some marks right through the holes. Now this part can actually go pretty much wherever you want it to. You can run it straight across here. You can run it straight across the bottom. It's just kind of your preference. So we're going to run it straight across the top here. So after I have it where I want it, I'm going to go ahead, let go of this, and mark my holes. Now I'm going to take one of the provided screws and go ahead and put it in each one of these holes to go ahead and drill it out for me. That way I'm not trying to hold it, and go ahead and put a fresh hole in there. After all your holes are drilled out, go ahead and install your door piece. Now we're ready to install our chain. I'm going to go ahead and hang it up here and then drill it into place. Now, as you can see, all we have to do is pick it up, set it over on the side, and when you want to lock it, set it in there, drop it, and the chain's set. Nobody's getting through there. I'm Joshua Clinton with Flighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.